Today, we're drawing the whole alphabet, all 26 letters from A to Z in this super cute bubble letter style. Grab your pencil, a black marker, and your favorite colors. Ready? Let's start with the letter A. A is for apple. B is for balloon. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. And G is for giraffe. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. And finally, Z is for zebra. Time to color. A, red. B, blue. C, green. D, purple. E, orange. F, teal. G, pink. H, yellow. I, purple. J, orange. K, blue. L, green. M, pink. N, teal. O, orange. P, teal. Q, pink. R, yellow. S, purple. T, blue. U, red. V, green. W, purple. X, teal. Y, orange. And finally, Z, yellow.